right, there it is. This is the retractable wall hook from Allied Brass. The way this works is you put it in the wall, just about anywhere. You don't really need to have any specific requirements to the wall other than it be hollow. You can't put it in a piece of wood. So that's it. You put it in the wall. When you need a little bit of hanging space, you pull it out, hang your stuff, get ready in the morning. Towel needs to dry, whatever it is. Got to think a couple of things just came out of the laundry, need to dry it. Have a couple of these hanging around. You hang it up. And when you're done, you put it away. That's it. We do have a product that's a little bit longer, but can't be installed anywhere. It needs to be installed in an end wall. So if you look over here, I'll show you how it works. This would be an end wall, right? You have a lot of depth in the wall right there. We have one installed, and that's how it works. And there you just have more hanging space. They're both great products, and hope you enjoy them. Thank you.